Hi, here I'm going to demo the concept of immutability in Python. To demo that, I'm opening a Python shell. If you are using Windows operating system, you can take a command prompt and type Python to get the Python shell. What is actually immutable object? An object can't be changed after creation is called as an immutable object. Here a equal to 10. What is actually type of a? So here type of a is a type of a is a int, right? So here I have b equal to 10. Okay, so id of a is this thing, id of b is same thing. Okay, here consider this is the memory. Okay, so in this memory there is an object, its value is 10. Okay, and a is pointing to that particular object. Okay, so b is also pointing to the same object, right? Because we got the same id. Okay, so here in this case of b is also pointing to the same object. Okay, so if I do something like a equal to a plus 1, what is actually happening? Is it going to change this particular object? Not. It is not going to change this particular object. It is going to create a new object and a is pointing to that object. We'll see that. Okay, now I used id of a. See, we can see id of a got changed. Earlier it was 312, right? Now it is 344. That means now we have another object with value 11, and now a is pointing to that object in the memory. Okay, so this is what the concept behind immutability. Immutable object can't be changed. If you try to modify an immutable object, it will create a new object. Okay, it won't change the existing object. Okay, in Python, data types like int, float, bool, that is boolean, and string, complex, tuple, these are immutable object. That means you cannot change the value after creation. Okay, so but the data types like list, set, and dictionary, that we can mutate, that you can change. Okay, so immutable object you cannot change, and mutable object we can change. Okay, if you try to change a string, something like str equal to hello, id of str means is this thing, right? Here I am trying to do str equal to str plus something. Okay, so here plus is used to concatenate this text to the end of this thing. Okay, now so here if I try simply like this, str plus this particular string, so id of str is still the same thing, because here we have created a new string, but still str is pointing to the old string. Okay, if you want str variable to hold the new string, we'll have to use str equal to str plus Now if you try id of str, we'll get new reference, right? So I hope you got some idea about what is an immutable object. We'll discuss about how to create our own immutable object later, once after we discuss about object oriented programming and all. Okay, I hope you got some idea. Thanks for watching this.